Hey guys, I have another new box to unbox, and this time it's a PinchMe box. And PinchMe is another website like Influencer where you can apply for free samples, but PinchMe is more based on if you interact with the PinchMe surveys than whatever your social media following is and if you post about it online. So for a lot of people, PinchMe is maybe a better option if you don't want to like clutter up your feed or anything. And PinchMe also often has sent me things like household supplies. Like I got a floor cleaner once. I've gotten like Swiffer pads, like things like that are more likely to be in a PinchMe box than a lot of other free boxes or even subscription boxes than you'll probably get. So again, I don't remember what I requested or what I ordered in this, so we're gonna see what's inside. Okay, so now that I've opened the box, it's kind of coming back to me, because the way PinchMe works is it'll send you an email when there's about to be new samples released, and then you'll go on to the website and select the ones that you want, and then they will send it to you. So for example, I got a Clariol root touch-up, and it's for blonde roots like I have, so that, you know, they wouldn't send me like a dark brown root touch-up, because that wouldn't be very effective. Let's take a little look. Oh, but they sent me one of each. So in here are little pools of each of the colors, and then it shows you what it's supposed to look like or what type of hair is best. And then on this side you have little sponges, so you can use these to sample them on your hair. 6 water resistant shades that blend with your current color and last until your next shampoo. So if you're like going to something and you forgot to get your hair done, this is like a perfect thing to use for that. Well, I have some roots right now, as you can probably see by the difference between this color and this color. So let's try to see, let's see what we've got. This little packy. It went easier than I thought. This really doesn't, it's like flat. It does not look like there's gonna be anything in here. But we'll try it. Okay, I kind of had to press hard to get it. I'll show you, there is color getting on here. It's obviously not enough to really touch up my roots. I feel like the sponge applicator too is like absorbing all of it. Okay, cool. It's stuck in my hair. Okay. This is the little guy. He's out now. Yeah. I don't know. I guess maybe it worked a little. Oh, yeah. I think it worked a little. I mean, I just think you would need to use like probably a bunch in order to get the kind of results that you would want. It shows in the little packet that she's using like, it looks more like an eyeshadow brush rather than like a sponge applicator, which I think would help too. And it says you can put it on your eyebrows, but like if it's that little product, I don't know if you're gonna want to use it on your eyebrows when you probably already have eyebrow products. So that one was kind of a flop, but I did get a $3 off coupon for it, so we'll see. If you can see in the little picture, that's not a lot of product. Not a lot of product in that little guy, so a shame. Then I have a little coffee packet. I don't drink coffee, but I live with my boyfriend and he does. This is Folger Coffee, 1850, and it's light roast ground coffee. So I can't smell it through the package, but I'm sure it'll smell good. It's coffee. So I hope he likes it. And then the next thing I have is nut butter. This one is egg white, almonds, and half a date. There's 9 grams of protein in this foil packet. I'll show you how thick it is. So that's a lot of protein for this little baby. Store in a cool, dry place. Obviously, don't eat this if you have a peanut allergy. But it also says you shouldn't eat it if you need to avoid milk, eggs, fish, crustaceans, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, and soy. So if you have allergies, this is not your gig. But it is gluten-free. So gluten-free, you're good. Except it did say it's in a factory that processes wheat, so if you sort of need to be gluten-free, then you're good. Should I taste it? Oh, I was pulling the wrong corner. Oh, it's wet. It definitely tastes like almond. It's really wet. It's very, very wet. I wouldn't say that it's like bad. I know that it seems like I think that it's bad. I'm just gonna go get a little pinch to close this. It's not bad. It's just, I'm used to peanut butter. I really haven't had other nut butters, which is why I was interested in getting this one. It's vanilla almond butter. And it really, really tastes like almond. A bunch. But, like, I like almonds. It's just kind of overwhelming. But the more, like, now that, like, I closed it, I'm like, I would eat a little more. I would eat a little more of that. So, like, I think it would probably be good on, like, a sandwich or something, but it's definitely not, like, take a spoonful out of the peanut butter jar, because you couldn't even get, like, it'd be like soup. It's very, very wet. And then the last thing that's in the box, I did not order. It gives you a little voucher for the HelloFresh program, which I have thought about doing. It says you get $25 off of your first 2 boxes with this gift card, and of course you guys know what HelloFresh is because you've been online. It's a company that will send ingredients to your house so that, like, you don't have to go out and go shopping and figure out what you're gonna make. You can just have all the ingredients there and make a nice meal. So maybe I'll do that now that I have $50 off. And that is everything. So that was kind of an adventure. I don't know how we feel, but I mean, all of this is free, and I think just getting the coffee alone is probably totally worth the time to do the little application online. And I got to try this root touch-up thing, which I've seen before, and, you know, I hate, like, going and sitting for, like, 2 hours and getting my hair done just to, like, fix my roots. So I was hoping that that would be good too, but it just wasn't great. It might have been better if I used a different tool, but it had a tool that it said I could use, so, like, I don't know how to feel about that. The nut butter, once again, wet, but I could see myself vibing with that in a different experience. Even, like, if you dip a pretzel in it, that'd probably be really good. And then the HelloFresh card, I don't know. It says to claim within 30 days, and today is October 2nd. So if any of you want this more than me, then you can just let me know, and I will send you the little code on here. Yeah, I'm allowed to do that. So if you want the voucher code, let me know. Otherwise, if it gets close to the wire, I guess I'll use it myself. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe. I assume it'll be here, or watch one of my other videos. Otherwise, have a good day anyway.